Hey, to connect Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 into the Strava application on your phone, first of all, you will have to open the Samsung Health application. If you don't know how you can connect this watch into the Samsung Health, you can find a second video on my YouTube channel where I'm showing you step by step how you can do this properly. So now, if you are finally connected, you can click on the My page in the right bottom corner. Then click on the three dots in the right upper corner and select Settings. Right now, you will have to keep scrolling and you will have to go into the apps section. It's just right here. Oh, that was actually my bad. We have to go into the services. Now we have to click on this Strava switcher and then it will be redirected into the Strava website. So all we have to do right now is just to use the same account that we are using on our Strava application on the phone. Currently we are in the browser, right? But you have to just use the same account that you are currently using on your Strava app. So you have to for sure get the Strava app and be sure that you have the same app, you have the same account that you use on this app. So log in into this website with this account. In my case, this is the Google account that I'm using for multiple Strava. Now you will have to just accept all of this, permissions, click to authorize. And as you can see right now, you are successfully connected. So now all you have to do is just to use the same account that you currently connect your Samsung Health into the Strava from the website and use it on your mobile application. And then you'll find all of your exercise and workouts in the Strava from the Galaxy Watch 7. So this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.